Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 6, leçon Q. So let's discover together in this lesson or video ce qui. So we'll see that in sentences just to try to make it clear for you how to use it and when to use it. What is interesting? Ce qui est intéressant. Ce qui est intéressant. Ce qui est intéressant. What is beautiful? Ce qui est beau. Ce qui est beau. Ce qui est beau. What is good? Ce qui est bon. Ce qui est bon. Ce qui est bon. What interests me makes me passionate. Ce qui m'intéresse me passionne. Ce qui m'intéresse me passionne. Ce qui m'intéresse me passionne. What saddens me makes me weak. Ce qui m'attriste me rend faible. Ce qui m'attriste me rend faible. Ce qui m'attriste me rend faible. What doesn't interest me bothers me. Ce qui ne me plaît pas m'ennuie. Ce qui ne me plaît pas m'ennuie. Ce qui ne me plaît pas m'ennuie. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.